What's up, guys? Welcome back here. So like I said, I'm doing the trading right now. Hey, how are you?
Good.
You coming in my video?
Yeah.
So we're doing a Bitcoin transaction right now. So what we're about to do, we're about to go into like the iPhone store right now and buy some iPhone from the money that I just made in trading. What's your name? Can I ask me my name is Pat.
Hi.
Where are you from? Click the Cashapp.
Okay.
Right? And then go and click Cashapp. Boom! And then go ahead and click Instant. Alright, go and click Done. Alright. This is another Bitcoin transaction that I made this morning because I don't know if I'll be able to get the iPhone 12. But let's go ahead and sell this one too. Click Sell. I love it. And then click All. This is how you guys sell a Bitcoin, okay?
Next.
Go and press Next. Alright. Face recognition one more time.
This is fun.
Yeah, and go and click Confirm. You see how fast this is? Boom, you just sold a Bitcoin. How does that feel?
Good.
And then you see this one, you have like more money there.
Mm-hmm.
Go and click it. Click Cash Out. Boom, click Cash Out. Instant. Alright, so go ahead and click Done. And then we're about to go ahead and grab that iPhone 12. How did that feel doing that transaction?
Great. Can I buy the iPhone?
Yeah. Today I'm going to go over on how you can withdraw from your Forex binary options trading account. This is for trading purposes only. I have so many different accounts that I have. But for the sake of training, I just want to go over how you guys will be able to do that on your binary options trading account in Forex. So I'm going to go dive straight into that. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to choose Bitcoin option because that's one of the fastest way for us to be able to not only fund, but also withdraw money from this specific broker. So I use Cashapp for myself because it's super fast if I'm making transactions. So what I'm going to do right now is put on my Bitcoin address. If you guys don't have a Bitcoin address, you guys can make one. If not, you guys can go ahead and sign up on Cashapp. Make sure that your Cashapp is verified so they can go ahead and actually help you make that withdrawal. So I'm going to show you guys my screen using my phone here. All right. So as you guys can see on my screen, all you need to do is click the house, the lower left hand side of the screen, and then go ahead and click Bitcoin. And then it's going to say deposits and Bitcoin. Right now, we're going to deposit because we're withdrawing from our broker's account to our Cash App. So click Bitcoin, deposit, click the copy that address. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and send it over to my Telegram. You guys can email it to yourself. So just you'll have a copy of the Bitcoin address. Make sure that you guys don't copy the specific number and send Bitcoin on there. All right. You're going to have your own Bitcoin address. I'm going to go to Telegram. And then what I'm going to do now is go ahead and copy this specific Bitcoin address, and I'm going to go back to my account and then put on the Bitcoin address on there. Let me go ahead and do that one more time. And then the amount of Bitcoin that I do want to go ahead and withdraw. You guys can only withdraw money that you have on your net balance. You cannot withdraw the one that you have here. So make sure that your total turnover, it means the money that you have placed overall, and that's what turnover means, should be above your net balance so you guys can go ahead and withdraw that money, okay? So total turnover means that you have placed a total of over whatever net balance that you have, all right? It means total turnover is like whether win or loss, that's the total amount of money that you were able to place in the market overall, okay? So just make sure that your total turnover rate is above that. The money that you want to go ahead and withdraw, and then that way you'll be able to withdraw that money. So I'm still compounding this account, so I'm just going to go ahead and withdraw $999 on this account. Okay, so you guys can go, if you guys have any troubles, you guys can go ahead and go to the chat and then just talk to support, and then they can go ahead and help you as well on your process. So, and if you're qualified, they're going to tell you as well. If you're not, they're going to let you know to place more trades, so now you can go ahead and increase your turnover. And then what they said on the platform, if it's above $1,000, like you're gonna have to, they're gonna have to it's gonna take them a couple of days. So what I do is I just like just for this specific example, so we can see how fast they're gonna do this one. It's just gonna be like if it's like below 1,000, then it's gonna be like a couple hours or maybe an hour. So we're gonna go and check it out for ourselves, right? All right. So now we're on my phone, and then all I need to do is click this withdrawal check, and then click this link, and then that should allow me to be able to go to my account. Just log in. All right, so now we're back in the game. All right, I logged in, and as you guys can see, this one it was like 3,000 earlier. All I need to do is go back to my withdrawal, and then you guys will be able to see the balance here, and then also the pending transfer that's happening. Okay, there's like a pending transfer over here. All I need to do is wait on that, and then we're going to go ahead and continue later. I recommend for people to go ahead and do their belief check once in a while. So we're just going to wait on that until that account is withdrawn, and it's going to be showing up on my Cash App through the Bitcoin. I should be able to get an email notification once that comes through. So like I said, guys, you definitely want to make sure that you go ahead and do your belief check every time you guys go ahead and make your withdrawal. You know, even if you made a little bit of profit, just withdraw some of that money and then buy something small. Buy like a, you know, I can remember the very first time I've made my profit, it was $212 on the Forex. It was traditional Forex, you know, when I first got started. And I ended up buying a world map so I can see like the place that I want to go and travel to all the time. So you can buy like a mug, buy something you guys can see that will like show you that Forex is real, that you guys can definitely make it possible to pull out money from the internet and make it a solid reality, right? You guys can see that, okay, this thing is real. I can really buy something tangible with it, and it does something different to you. And now you just like eventually increase the things that you guys are, you know, increase your ability and increase your belief level when it comes to being able to purchase, you know, something that's coming out from, you know, the internet money that you guys were able to acquire. So we're going to go back into that later once we're able to go ahead and make the transaction. So now the withdrawal actually hit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real quick. I had to contact the support because there's so many people that are withdrawing, so many people are making transactions. So they said they had to expedite my request. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks over here on my screen, right? So as you guys can see here, Bitcoin deposit, it's already completed. And then I had an email confirmation with Vitaly from my broker. So as you guys can see, very clean. All you guys need to do once you guys get there and you guys have already received it, all you need to do is you're going to be able to see this on the squiggly thing here. And then it's going to become Bitcoin. So like I said, Bitcoin is time sensitive, so it's moving. So if you guys want to sell it, make sure you guys like sell it, sell Bitcoin, all of it, right? It's right now 17,619, man. It's crazy. It's like almost like it's been a while since, and it's been it actually hit that point, right? So you know, so much opportunity right now. So like I said, you guys are gonna get taxed once you guys have made the transaction, because you pay Bitcoin transaction fee. You know, you pay like the blockchain, people that are competing for the next blockchain, all that stuff. So the Bitcoin miner. So all you do is cash out, and then the available cash, you guys can do standard, or you can do instant. It's up to you which day you guys want to do it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it as far as how you guys can go ahead and withdraw from your account. I'm probably gonna make another withdrawal. And as you guys can see on the screen right now, I made an appointment with Apple because I'm about to go ahead and buy that iPhone 12. If you guys are able to grow your account, don't waste your money or anything like that, guys. I highly encourage that you guys do a belief check when you guys have made some type of profit in the market. You guys can go ahead and buy something solid that will show you that trading is really real. All right. So with that being said, guys, if you guys want more resources, just go to the comment section or go to the comment below. You guys can click the link over there. You guys can get an additional 200% with this specific broker. And then also, if you guys want to have access to my free ebook, make sure you guys like tap it on the comment below. I'm going to send you guys like, send me a message on social media. You guys have my Instagram on there. Send me a message saying ebook. If you guys end up doing that, I'm going to go ahead and send you guys a copy of my ebook, and you guys can get a lot of resources on there, learn more about trading, learn more about strategies, learn more about the community. And then I'm going to go over pretty much like, you know, what got me into trading and all that stuff. So it's going to be free for you guys that have like watched this. Just shoot me a message on Instagram and then type in ebook, and then I'm going to go and send it over to you. So, and I'll see you guys as I purchase the iPhone. Past profits doesn't guarantee future results. The reason why I'm showing you guys this is because it's important that if you guys are a beginner, you go ahead and do your belief check. So now you can go back to compounding your account again once you see that it's actually physically real, to be able to pull out money from the market. I love the iPhone 12 because of the camera, and also the night picture is pretty nice. And let's all stay connected, guys. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all social media handles at Pax Ballesteros. So shoot me a message and let's stay connected. Alright guys, so we just like got it, right? We locked it in, iPhone 12, easy day, 1 day of profit, right? And like I said, you know, we've done it over and over again. I just want to show you guys really an education example of how you guys can actually do this. So do your belief check and, you know, see that it's real, and now you can go and progressively start withdrawing in the market over and over again, make it like a habit for you guys, right? So as you guys can see, iPhone 12, so yeah, it's pretty nice. We're gonna test out the camera, so we'll check it out and how it looks. So let's have some fun with it.